Siamese cat, very social and vocal cat with blue almond-shaped eyes and short coat. Persian cat, long-haired, calm cat known for its flat face and gentle personality. Maine Coon, one of the largest cat breeds, friendly and intelligent with thick fur. Bengal cat, wild-looking spotted coat, active and playful nature. Sphynx cat, hairless cat, very affectionate and loves human attention. British Shorthair, round face, dense coat, calm and easygoing temperament. Scottish Fold, known for folded ears and sweet, gentle personality. Ragdoll cat, large, floppy, very relaxed cat that loves being held. Burman cat, sacred-looking cat with blue eyes and soft semi-long fur. Russian Blue, silvery blue coat, shy but very loyal and intelligent. Turkish Angora, elegant, silky-coated cat that is playful and smart. Turkish Van, famous for loving water and swimming ability. Oriental Shorthair, slim, talkative cat with many coat colors. Bombay cat, black panther-like appearance with affectionate nature. Devon Rex, curly coat, big ears, and mischievous personality. Cornish Rex, very soft curly fur and highly energetic behavior. Manx cat, known for tailless or short tail and strong hunting skills. Egyptian Mau, naturally spotted coat and very fast runner. Siberian cat, thick triple coat, strong and hypoallergenic friendly. American Curl, unique backward curled ears and friendly personality.